大家好，这里是你们的老师阿布杜勒。Welcome to Learn Chinese with Abdul. Today we are in the vocabulary development section and our target is HSK level 1 vocabulary and we are at day 6. Let's go through what we have studied up till now. Day 1, 我们你们他们这那 Day 2 家爸爸妈妈哥哥弟弟姐姐妹妹男朋友女朋友 Day 3 儿子女儿漂亮老公老婆老板老师认识 Day 4 先生小姐医生医院学生学校学习同学人 Day 5 大小小狗小猫很好不太好有没有爱 And today we are at day 6. So let's go and see what new words we are going to prepare today. Day 6. Here we go. The first word is kai. Kai means to start or to open. It's a verb that means to start something. For example, kai cho, that means to drive a car. Number 2, lai means to come. It is a verb as well. Lai means to come. 我来中国 I come to China. 我来中国 I come to China. Okay, let's go to number 3. 去 means to go. We have a U with 2 dots, so the sound is a little different than the English sound, so it should be 去 means to go. For example, 我要去中国 我 means I 要 want 去 to go 中国 means China. I want to go to China. Okay, let's go. Today's word number 4. 读 that means to read out loud, to reading a book or something at a louder voice. Normally in China, in the classroom, teacher says like this, 跟我读 that means read with me. Okay, let's go. Today's word number 5. 看 is a verb as well that means to see something. For example, 我要看你 I want to see you. Okay, number 6. 听 means to listen. It is also a verb. to listen something. Number 7. 说 is also a verb that means to speak. Now let me use the both words 听 and 说 in one sentence. 你听我说 You listen, I speak. 你听我说 Number 8. 吃饭 吃 is a verb that means to eat something. 饭 means meal. 饭 means the item, the product which we are eating. So 吃饭 means to eating food, to eating meal. 吃饭 to eat. Let's go. Today's last word, that is 睡觉睡觉 means to sleep. It is also a verb. For example, I say 我要睡觉 I want to sleep. 睡觉 This is all from today's class. Let me repeat the words which we have added today. 开来去读看听说吃饭睡觉 I hope you have learned something new today. Please like and share this video with other friends as well. See you guys tomorrow. Bye bye. 再见.
Thanks for watching this video. If you like my efforts, please share this video with others. Subscribe our channel and press bell icon. See you soon. Goodbye.